If you're a whore. I want to know if you're a whore. Like how many partners you've had.
Hey guys, it's Bree. We're down here on Fremont East. We're here to ask some cheeky questions, so let's go find the truth.
How sexy they are.
That's it?
How sexy they are. I'm kind of tipsy right now, though.
No, you're fine.
I mean, hey, what's the main significance? I mean,
What do you think that they should have in their bios? Like, definitely should be in their bios.
I mean,
like,
not too much, but you know, just
Education.
the basic info, but not
Basic
too
info?
much, you know.
okay. You said education, like if
Yeah.
they're going to school or.
Yeah.
Okay.
Want to see how intelligent and smart they are.
That's awesome. I like that answer.
Yeah.
What shouldn't be in their bio?
They live with their mama.
I like that answer
They got 10
too.
kids. Don't put that in your bio.
For me, it's like a sense of humor, anything that like gets the point across that you're a relaxed, chill person. You know, you don't necessarily care if you have a beauty queen. You just want someone to chill, have fun with, laugh with, watch the movie, you know, whatever it might be. Just anything that makes you seem like a real, actual person.
I love that answer.
Hard to find them now.
Right?
Their likes, dislikes. I think that it's also important to include like deal breakers. If they are ultra religious and I'm an atheist, and that's never going to work, let's just know right up front.
That's good. That's actually, I like that answer. What is something that someone shouldn't have in their bio? It's just like a waste of time. Like, it shouldn't be there.
I mean, for me personally, I guess I don't really care about your pets. People sometimes write a whole 4 or 5 paragraphs about their cat. Not trying to date your cat.
Usually probably something funny, something that sticks out. If you feel you can make someone laugh, it usually goes a long way online.
Okay. What do you think people should include in their bios on their online dating websites and stuff?
Something you're passionate about. I think people like seeing things they're genuinely interested in, things you want to be a part of in your life.
Yeah.
Make sure you put that you don't like Batman. You're against Superman. I'm all right if you like Spider-Man. He's I don't got too much problem, but those are important. You must have that.
Okay.
As long as their bio is somewhat organic and they're not a prostitute using Tinder. There's nothing wrong with sex work, but if I'm on an online dating app to date, I don't want to have to pay for it. Does that make sense?
That makes sense. Okay.
Like you like long walks on the beach, reading books, you know, for sure.
Unique? Not the word, like actually the
Something unique.
unique or different. Catch the eye.
Okay. All right. What's something they shouldn't have in their bio?
Picture of their personals.
Definitely hobbies, music, and, you know, just what kind of person they are. Just a general summary.
Okay.
To be honest, I don't know because I don't have anything in my bio. I just have like a music quote and that's about it. Because I personally don't care about bios.
Mm-hmm.
I just care about being, because to me, in a relationship, you have to have sexual attractiveness. You have to.
Right.
And then you have to vibe with the person on an emotional level, and you have to have that connection. So, I mean, why am I going to look at the bio when I can just have that conversation with you instead?
They should have what they like to do, and what finds them interesting.
Okay. What do you think someone should have in their bio?
The honesty. Like, they need to let me know if they want to just hook up or if they're down for a relationship or not.
Something they're actually interested in.
Okay.
Like something they're actually interested in so that you can know what to like do with them, I guess.
Man, bios. Kids.
Kids? If
Yeah.
someone has kids?
Yeah, absolutely.
Make
Of
sure
course.
you mention them.
Yeah, I want to know if you have children or not. Yeah.
What other things are mentionable in bios?
If you're a whore. I want to know if you're a whore. Like how many partners you've had.
So your number should be in the bio?
Absolutely.
Is your number in your bio?
Absolutely not. No.
Don't you think that's a little
Maybe, but isn't there like if a man says 3, it's like times 5?
I don't know.
If a woman says 2, it's times 2 or something like that?
I have no idea.
Well, it should be if it's not.
All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Hit that thumbs up if you liked that episode. Hit that subscribe button below. Be sure to check out our website, thecheekytruth.com. If you like what we do, you can now support us on Patreon. There's a link in the description. See you next time. Stay cheeky.